too quiet, please.
All right, edging. So, turn. Okay, make a loop inside, and you're going to cast off. Okay, pull the one loop over the other, then pull up another loop on the side, and you're going to cast that loop off. So pull the one over the top of the other, and then pull the lower one through. See? So that's creating our lovely edging, which will make it less rolled up. It'll make it flat and give it a finished look. Pull the loop up. To push the other loop through with my thumb here. Pull it out. Make sure it's not twisted. See? It shouldn't twist like that. It should twist like that so it stays put. Take the rest of the working yarn and pull another loop up through the next. Trying to get this through here. Some that's a little tight. Okay, push it through, pull it through, and push it through there with your thumb and over. Look how braided that's starting to look. Although it is finger knitting. All right, I need to get the next stitch. All right, next stitch, pull it through, make a loop like we had been doing all along. Push it up through, lock it in, pushed it in. All right, our edging's coming right along. All right,